Hi, my name is Sarah, and in today's video I will talk about skincare. Skincare is super important in makeup. Most people underestimate skincare and they think that makeup is just about applying foundation and eye makeup, but it is more. If you really want to have a flawless foundation and a long-lasting makeup, skin comes first. So for today, I'm talking about 12 products that are very important to incorporate in your skincare routine that will make your skin look more healthy and it will make your makeup look flawless. This time, I'm not talking about specific brands. I will do 2 more videos about my day and night routine, and I will show you the products that I use. But for today, I'm just talking about the products and the items that you need to incorporate to your skincare. First product is makeup remover. This is very important. Before you actually cleanse your skin, you need to remove any makeup from your skin. There are 2 types. You can buy a regular makeup remover for your face and eyes, or you can buy them separately. So you can buy one for just removing the eye makeup and another one for your face. I personally like to use one that does 2 in 1, so I don't have to buy extra products. So one product that is good for my eyes and my foundation. Also, if you're the type of person that likes to use waterproof eyeshadows and mascara, you probably need to buy a separate makeup remover, which is usually oil based, to really remove those those waterproof products. Also, some people like to use cleansing oils. These ones are makeup removers as well, but they are oil based. So you pretty much use this product all over your face to remove the makeup. And after that, the second product that you need is a cleanser. The cleanser will remove any excess oils and leftover makeup. This is super important, and if you do the test using a makeup remover and after cleansing your face, you will see that the water comes with makeup. So don't think that only by using makeup remover is enough. No, you need to double cleanse. You need to remove the makeup first and after use a cleanser to get rid of all the makeup so your skin can breathe, and that way you prevent breakouts and all that stuff. The third product that is very important to have is an exfoliator. Exfoliators are good to use 1 or 2 times a week. Don't use them too much. You don't want to remove all your good cells. Exfoliators are ideal to use to remove any dry patches and also to prevent breakouts. But if you are somebody who has a more congested skin, you can use a gentle exfoliator every day. The fourth product that I'm talking about is a face mask. It's not necessarily, so it's not a must, but having a face mask is important because when you feel that your skin needs a little bit extra hydration, face mask will give that boost to your skin. Also, there are different types of masks. There are masks to help you reduce redness, masks that help you remove dry patches. So depending on your skin concern, you can buy a face mask to help you get that nutrition that your skin needs, especially during the winter time that your skin tends to get very dry. It's good to have some face mask handy. The fifth product that is super important to use is a toner. Toners are like an extra step, like an insurance that your face will be oil-free and makeup-free. And also, toners help your skin be ready to absorb any serums, any moisturizer, or any treatments that you want to apply on your skin. So the toner will prep your skin to receive all those good nutrients. So it's very important to use. Personally, I like to use them at night. During the morning time, I don't use a toner usually. Only if I want to wear makeup and I want to make sure my skin is super clean, I will use a toner. But for my nighttime routine, I do use a toner every night. During the day, not so much. So it depends on your skin type. So if you have more like oily skin, I would recommend toner your skin twice a day. If you have normal to dry, I will say only once a day. The next product is serums. Serums are very good for your skin. They boost and moisturize your skin even more. And you always apply them before your moisturizer. Also, serums are more concentrated. They have active ingredients that will help you brighten your skin, repair your skin, hydrate. They usually have anti-aging products. So depending on your skin concern, you have to find a serum that will help you with that. In my case, I like to use a hydrating serum, especially during the winter time, to get my skin that moisture that it needs during this time. The other product that is important to have, which is number 7, is a moisturizer. Moisturizers will give your skin that moisture that it needs throughout the day. It's important to have one for the day and one for the night. Why? Because usually the day moisturizers, they have SPF protection, so they will protect you from the elements. And the night moisturizers, they will give your skin more nutrients and vitamins. So during the night, your skin can absorb all the nutrients. So that's why you need to have different ones for different times of the day. The 8th product is sunscreen. Sunscreen will help protect your skin from the sun damage. You always apply your sunscreen after your moisturizer. I personally like to use a moisturizer that already has sunscreen on it, so I don't have to do that extra step. But if you are somebody who really wants a stronger protection, use your moisturizer first and after your sunscreen. The 9th product is a face oil. I love using face oils, especially at night. Because they help you lock in the moisture. So what you would do is you would apply your serum, your moisturizer, and after your oil to lock in the moisture. Especially for the winter times is the best recipe because your skin will stay hydrated throughout the winter. So adding the face oil to keep the moisture is a very good tip to use. If you have more oily skin, probably you don't need to use an oil. I like to use oils at night, so that way all the products that I put it on my skin, I know they will remain and my skin will absorb it properly. During the day, if I'm not gonna wear any makeup, I will use a face oil on top of my day cream, just to give my skin more glow, especially for the winter month. During the summer, I don't use face oil during the day because it gets hot, it's humid, so you don't need that extra step, but during the winter time, yes, you will need it. The 10th product is an eye cream. Eye creams are important to use. They're different from your face cream. They are softer, they are thinner, and they have a more hydration. This area under your eye is very delicate, so that's why you need to use a specific cream for your eye. And depending if you want more anti-aging, if you want to depuff your eye, there are different kinds. But having an eye cream, use them twice a day. Also, target treatments are important to have, especially if you have dark spots and you want to remove those dark spots, or you have eczema, or you have like pimples. It's always good to have some sort of treatment that you can spot apply to help you get rid of that concern that you have in your skin. In my case, I have a treatment for pimples. So when I have pimples, I will apply that to dry out that area. So that's something that you should incorporate to your skin essentials. And the last product is for your lips. You need some sort of lip balm to help keep your lips hydrated and to keep the moisture on your lips. Any kind, there are different brands, but something that will give you that moisture and keep your lips soft is very important. And as I said, here in Canada, we are in the winter time, so your lips tend to get very, very dry. So using lip balms during the day will keep them looking fresh and moisturized. So these are my 12 products that are important to incorporate into your skincare. I will put all the list in the description below, and I will make 2 more videos about my day and night skincare. So if you're interested to know more about different products, different brands that you could probably give it a try, just follow me, subscribe to my channel, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions or you would like to see something different this 2020, just let me know in the comments and I will gladly prepare something for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.